I'm Kai and today I'm at Siemens on the SPS fair in Nuremberg. We want to address today a topic which maybe is not in your focus: sustainability in panel building. With me is Chris. Hey Chris, maybe you can introduce yourself?
Yes, of course. I'm Chris, I'm Product Manager for Sustainable Products at Siemens Electrical Products.
Yeah, which solution can Siemens provide for sustainability in panel building?
Yeah, I think the key is, the first step is the panel itself, the enclosure. So we need to improve the material of the enclosure of the housing. And we did. What you see here is a green cabinet.
What means green cabinet?
Green cabinet, this means that this material is green steel. So it's made out of 100% scrap metal.
Okay.
And the power used is from wind power.
That means the production of the cabinet, the steel, is done with wind power.
Exactly, yeah.
What else? When we have the cabinet and you have a lot of components?
Exactly. So maybe the cabinet introduces the CO2 footprint by 70% for the cabinet.
Okay.
But of course we have to look inside. And inside, what you see here, every product you see here is an Ecotech product.
What means Ecotech?
Ecotech. This is our eco label. Okay. This means it's a product that's from our point of view sustainable.
Okay, that's interesting. Can you give us a few ideas about the Ecotech label? What is behind it?
Yeah, the most important thing is we need to fulfill a framework that we have created, especially for our products.
Okay.
And we have to look into the complete life cycle of the product. This means we starting with the manufacturing phase, so we improve the materials that you use. We also improve the use phase, so we do energy efficient products with low power consumption and so on. And also we look into the end of life of the product. So we also want to improve the end of life of the product.
Yeah, quite interesting. I'm really curious about you. Would you select some sustainability products, or it does matter for you? Let us know in the comments. We give you more information in the video description. If you like the video, please drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notifications. See you in the next video from Kai and
Chris.